Peppa's Pizza Party. It's lunchtime at Peppa's house. Can we make pizza? Peppa asks. George loves pizza, so do Mummy and Daddy Pig. Peppa is excited to start, but first everyone must wash their hands. They use soap and water to get all clean. When they are done washing, they gather ingredients. To make our pizza, Daddy Pig says, we need flour. Tomato, chimes in Mummy Pig. Cheese, continues Daddy Pig. And toppings. But wait! There's something missing. George likes pineapples on his pizza, Peppa says. Pineapple? Daddy Pig repeats. On pizza? I think that's against the law. Peppa laughs. Daddy Pig is being silly. It's not against the law to put pineapples on pizza. Now it's time to make the pizza. Mummy Pig puts the flour into a bowl. Then she adds water. This mixture will become pizza dough. Tasty! Mummy Pig sprinkles a little flour on the table so that the dough doesn't stick. Then with their clean hands, Peppa and George knead the dough. Bam! 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 I am big and strong, Peppa says. And George is big and strong too. Next, they make the dough into 4 balls. These will become 4 pizza pies. Mummy Pig rolls the balls flat with her rolling pin. Oh, says Peppa. They look like pizzas now. Mummy and Daddy Pig makes a sauce with the tomatoes. Then Peppa and George smooth it over the dough. I like making pizza, Peppa says. It's so fun. Now it's time to decorate the pizza. Can we make a happy face on top? Peppa asks. Of course we can, replies Daddy Pig. I'll use mushroom to make eyes and olives for the smile. And I'll use onions for the eyes and basils for the smile, says Mommy Pig. Peppa uses sweet corn for the smile and the little tomatoes for the eyes. George has pineapples for the eyes and cheese for the smile. Mummy Pig puts on her oven mitts. Then she places the pizza in the oven to bake. Mummy and Daddy Pig tidy up the kitchen. George and Peppa goes upstairs to play. When the pizzas are done, Peppa, George, Mummy Pig, and Daddy Pig eat in the garden. Their pizzas are very good. These are the best pizzas in the world, says Peppa. Peppa loves pizza. Everyone loves pizza. The end. We all love pizza, don't you, Daddy? And George likes pizza too. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.